How you doing? We're back here at Pacific Stereo in Riverside, California. I wanted to go over a new installation that we did today. Not only do we work on automobiles, boats, and off-road utility vehicles, we also do tractors and other mechanical, devices like this one right in front of you. On this particular installation, we did a backup camera on the back of the tractor, and then we did a 7-inch monitor so that they can always see behind, just for their safety. And here's a monitor right here, and then the camera's located right here on the back. So pretty much at all times the camera will be on and they'll be able to see what's behind them, so they don't have to worry about having to look over their shoulder. The other thing we did for the driver inside is we put an FM tuner and 2 small mid-range tweeters up in the inside of the cab area. So there's an FM tuner for AM/FM radio, and there's also an auxiliary adapter so that you can plug in your iPod and hear music in here while you're operating. And there's a little controller up here that does your audio up and down and your station up and down, and then the auxiliary input. That pretty much wraps up this installation. If you're interested in something like this, you can contact us at 951-352-1784, or you can always contact us at www.pacificstereo.com, or you can always come down to our store location in Tyler Street in Riverside, California. Thanks, and have a nice day.